Hi, I'm so excited to be here with you. I've decided it's time to update my YouTube page. If you know me, you know that I've always been a health and fitness coach, and most of my videos have always been about workouts and accountability and food and recipes and unboxing of new products. And that's just what I've always done. And I trust me, I'm still into that. If you need an accountability partner, if you want to talk workouts, if you want to talk cardio, whatever you want to talk about, I'm here for that. So don't get me wrong, that's still going on in the background. But more recently, my life has taken a turn, and I've decided to take all those old videos down, and I'm working on a new project. And I'm excited to share the story with you. Back in 2020, I was working with a life coach that worked with the law of attraction. And if you know me, you know that I have studied and worked with the law of attraction since The Secret came out in 2006. I've always followed channeled messages, and I've always taken in all I could to learn about the law of attraction. But in 2020, when I was working with this coach, we decided that I would start teaching the law of attraction. And it was going pretty well. The only thing that I couldn't wrap my head around was all of the technical stuff in the background. I didn't like studying and learning phrases and creating slides and all of that. That just wasn't my thing. I just kept telling him, I just want to talk. I just want to talk. And between the two of us, we couldn't really figure out what I was talking about. I just knew there was an element that was missing. So in 2021, I discovered a channeling class. And once I took that, I realized that was the piece that I was missing. I sat down to do some automatic writing, and I just take a few deep breaths and I start writing what is in what comes out, really. I just let my brain shut off and I just start writing. And the messages that I was getting that were so profound, and I couldn't wait to share them with the world. And I didn't realize that all of this time since 2006, the reason I couldn't get enough of those channeled messages was because I was channeling myself. And the reason I was so able to retain all of those messages and regurgitate them and repeat them and live that philosophy was because those were channeled messages that were coming through me. And so since 2021, I have been channeling. I can do the automatic writing. I love that, but I can also verbal channel. So now I've taken it to the point where I see clients one on one. We do Zoom calls, and I close my eyes, I take a few deep breaths, and uh, my guides come and give them a message and then let them ask questions. There's no question that's ever off limits, and they go ahead and ask whatever they're thinking about. Now, I'm not a medium and I'm not a psychic. It's not like that. It's just learning to learn about life's answers from a higher perspective. These are guided messages. Now, every once in a while, sometimes there will be a message that comes through that, it is from their grandmother. I don't necessarily know that because as I'm saying that, as I'm saying the messages, I don't necessarily retain what I'm saying or remember what I'm saying. Um, I'm all there, but it's just I don't really I recognize the energy. I don't really know exactly what I'm saying or remember what I'm saying. So I know there's a lot that's going on, and you're probably thinking, "Who is this? What's going on? Where did my coach go?" I'm still me. I'm still here. I've just taken on this new level of clarity, and I love sharing it with people. So I just kind of wanted to let you know where I've been, what I've been up to, and I will start to post more videos. But in the meantime, if you want some messages, if you want to see what people are saying, you want to see some testimonials or really learn more about my story and what I actually do during a channeled message, go to my website. It's juliewainer.com. I've posted it there for you. So please check it out. Let me know your thoughts. Sign up for the newsletter because there are always messages in that as well. And there's always fun things going on. I'm going to offer a free workshop very soon. I've got some ideas going on. It's actually not up to me, it's up to my guides. So it's kind of easy. Life's been very easy and very fun over the last few years, let me tell you. And the clients that I've worked with are having that same uh, level of clarity as well. So it's very rewarding, it's very fun, and I hope to work with you one day. But in the meantime, just get the free messages from the website. And if you have any questions, please let me know. I'll do another video. Okay, thanks for taking the time to watch. Bye.